What apps do I need? Which one do I buy? And what can I actually do with it? These might be questions you ask yourself when considering adopting an iPad into your workflow as an architect or interior designer. What if you could gain the confidence to draw more without the fear of errors holding you back, and the ability to work from any location? What would this newfound freedom mean for your life and your career? If this resonates with you, discover how thousands of architects and designers have successfully overcome these challenges by integrating an iPad into their workflow. From sketching and 3D modeling to project management, construction visits, and presentation. This March 25th to 30th, join the iPad for Architects and Designers Online Summit, a free 6-day online event focused on helping architects, interior designers, landscape architects, and engineers make the most out of their iPad. You'll gain practical skills, tips, and training to unlock more creativity, efficiency, and productivity with an iPad. We've assembled a fantastic lineup of over 20 industry experts in Procreate, Morpholio Trace, Concept, SketchUp, and other essential and popular apps on iPad to conduct special workshops for you, including topics like sketching, drawing, and conceptualization, construction administration, 3D modeling, sharing and presentation, and much more. And the best part? You can access all these workshops completely for free. Hi, my name is David Drezel and I'm the founder of sketchlikeanarchitect.com, and I'll be your host for this event. Our commitment is to provide you with the best and latest resources so you can start seeing real results fast. Click the link around this video to save your free spot so you don't miss this once-in-a-year event. See you there. Cheers!